Hello, good evening, ma'am. This is my activity. I already installed the pip, Python, and Django. So let's go directly to creating the start project. So already go to Django environment right here. So Django environment, Django admin, start project attendance. Here's it. Shows here attendance. So um, then I run the server to check if it has been installed successfully. So py-manage that py run server. So what you call here, then start to python that manage that py startup students. Here, the student, then making making uh, a table for the model students. Already edit here for the students. I already put here the students for the startup projects. Startup that I make install apps. So to read it. Then in the models of 10 students here, students here in the models to create a database, first name, last name, enrollment date. Then run the run din ako ang python manage.py make migrations. Then to once it's done creating a model for student, then once I done the coding here, I did type this manage.py migrate. So the database has been created. So let's go to python manage.py shell. So to add the new students. So here the from students that models import students. So this is to store the info of the students in the models. So for student first S1 student first name equals to Edison last name is Abragan, then email is edisonabragan@gmail.com. So S1 save. So students that objects all. So query set student Edison Abragan. So to show all values here. Then I added a new student again. First name Aaron, last name Salcedo. Then save again, student object. So student dot object dot all. So student again. So let's try to add a new student. S3. Wait. Let's just do this instead. S3. Let's change the name for Carl Lacre. Lacre Carl. Then S3. S3 save. Then to view the students, actually there are two options. You can filter it by calling their name or last name, or by the email by in email, and you can also show all the students stored in the database. Like for this example, student dot objects dot all. Wait, sorry. Um, console. Oh, that here. It shows. Excuse me. It shows the three students: Edison Abragan, Aaron Salcedo, and Carl Lacre. Carl Lacre. Second option is to view only one student. This is how you do it. Filter. Sorry. Filter. First name. First first name is equals to Abragan. Oh, sorry. Wait. First name. First name. Why it's not working? First name. Oh yeah, that's right. Sorry, first name. Sorry. Edison. Here, Edison Aragon. And I think that's all, man. Thank you. This is how to retrieve. uh, this is how I do. How I did to retrieve the students, then add a new student to the database. This datetime is actually automatic. Here, modest dark field, add auto, now add equals to true. I think it's to store when did he when did the data has been stored. So the add new student here is done, and the retrieve student here is done. So as for the first one, the start project here, Python manage that start a project students. Here's the initial that by once we created the database migration. So ID model first. I must mod auto now add is equals to true. Then for the modules, the was the char file I filled. Then added the startup startup here startup students. And I think that's all. Thank you, ma'am.